Welcome back. We now need to customize the thank you page. And what we need to do is we need to click on this element. We can now choose a specific template. We can now edit the template. Now in this particular case, we want to make sure that we have all of the right elements. We're going to delete any buy buttons. Again, what we're doing here on this page is we are communicating with the customer as to what to expect. What we have done is we have delivered that customer into a specific course, and they will receive an email giving them access. What we're now going to do is we're going to click Save Changes. And now our thank you page for our entire funnel is now complete. We can now exit the page. We now have 3 pages. You now have a sales page, which is what the customer sees first. They will then click the button and be taken to the order page. The order page will then deliver them into the course, and they will receive an email giving them access to the course. And we have now customized the thank you page. Now that we have customized the thank you page, we are now ready to place the page on our digital store. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in another video.